Korean natural farming, KNF, is a method of farming that focuses on utilizing natural resources and microorganisms to create a self-sustaining ecosystem in the farm. The KNF method has several different techniques that can be used to promote soil health and productivity. The various stages of EMO 1 to 5 represent different stages of collecting, storing, and then propagating cultures of bacteria and fungi to introduce into your substrate and/or soil. EMO 1, collecting beneficial microbes out in the field. EMO 2, preparing the microbes for storage. EMO 3, inoculating a suitable, carbon-based, carrier. Fermented plant juice, FPJ, is another method of KNF. FPJ is a liquid derived from a mixture of brown sugar and local plants. The plants used for this purpose should be vigorous and healthy without any inputs. Examples of such plants include nettles, seaweed, or comfrey. Another method of KNF is the use of the steamed rice method. In this method, steamed rice is placed in a wooden box, cedar or bamboo is recommended, with small holes in the bottom. The box is covered with a paper towel and then placed inside a cage to keep rodents out. These are some of the methods that are commonly used in Korean natural farming. However, there may be other methods and techniques used in KNF, as the approach is constantly evolving and new methods are being developed. Thanks for watching.